Okay children, now we are going to see page number 32. In this they are given, complete the table classifying this under the given table. Here they are given the pot. So first picture they are given the complete the table classifying this under the given table. So that is pot. First one they are given the pot, then medicine bottle. Second one they are given the medicine bottle. So A they are given this. They have drawn the picture and gave. So I'll just write the name of the containers. Then C is oil can and D is water can. They are given every picture for this children. So I'll just write down the containers. And E is tumbler and F water pot. Okay, so complete the table classifying these under the given table. First one they given pot, second one is medicine bottle, third one is oil can, and fourth one is water can. The next one is tumbler, then there is a water pot. So we have to say less than 1 liter. Here they are given the table less than 1 liter. Less than 1 liter. Here more than 1 liter. More than 1 liter. Here this is the less than 1 liter and this is the more than 1 liter. So in this table only we are going to list out which has to come this side and which has to come more than 1 liter. So pot, this is more than 1 liter. In a pot வந்து பெருசா இருக்கும் இல்லையா? So more than 1 liter பிடிக்கும். அதனால we can put more than 1 liter. Then medicine bottle less than 1 liter. அதுக்கு மேலே போகுது. So millilitersல தான் வரும். It won't go for the liters. So medicine bottle இந்த இதில் எழுதணும். Less than 1 liter, more than 1 liter. கம்மியாக 1 லிட்டருக்கு கம்மியாக இருக்கிறது இந்த பக்கம், 1 லிட்டருக்கு அதிகமாக இருக்கிறது இந்த பக்கம். So first one you put the pot and second one is the medicine bottle and third one is the oil can more than 1 liter. எண்ணெய் கேன்லாம் லிட்டர்ஸ் கணக்கில் மேலே வரும். Then water can also more than 1 liter we can put. Big water can கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. So we have to use the water can here. Then tumbler less than 1 liter. The next one is water pot. சின்ன சொம்பு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, that is water pot. அதுவும் less than 1 liter. That is சொம்பு we can say. ஓகேயா? ஸோ இது என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்களோ அது இப்படி எது கம்மியாக 1 லிட்டருக்கும் கம்மியாக பிடிக்கும், எது 1 லிட்டருக்கு அதிகமாக. 1 லிட்டர்னா 1000 milliliter. Okay children, then take the appropriate unit to measure the given liquids. Here they are given some of the liquids. Okay, cough syrup, vinegar, water in tank, water you bring to school, oil in kitchen and petrol. So you have to write எதெல்லாம் millilitersல போகும், எதெல்லாம் லிட்டர்ஸில் போகும். millilitersனால் நான் என்ன சொன்னேன், 100 milliliter, 50 milliliter, then 500 milliliter. இதெல்லாம் milliliters வரும், 600, 700 அது மாதிரி. மோர் தேன் லிட்டர்ஸ்னாக்கா 1 liters, 2 liters, 3 liters, like that we can see. So we'll go on to see, move on to the next one. Can you understand children? This is very easy. So copy down everything, what all I have written on the board, note down in your classwork children, put the heading, put the chapter number, unit number and term, everything, and you can write. Number 2, tick the appropriate unit to measure the liquid. Take the appropriate unit to measure the given liquid. Here they are given the serial number. So they are given one table here. So we will write this. So serial number they are given. Okay, this is the serial number. Then liquid to be measured. எதெல்லாம் measure பண்ண முடியும் liquid to be measured. Then milliliters. So which all the liquids we have to do measure in milliliters and which we have to do in liters. So we have to write down. Here they are given the liquid to be measured. What are the liquid to be measured? So first I will write down what are the liquids they are given. First they are given the cough syrup and second one vinegar and third one water in tank and then fourth one water you bring to school. Water you bring to school. And fifth one oil in kitchen. And sixth one petrol. So this is it: cough syrup, vinegar, water in tank, water you bring to school, oil in kitchen and petrol. So cough syrup. So cough syrup on the milliliters la da varum. It won't come in liters. So you can write in milliliters la oru tick pannunga. Then vinegar also milliliter. Water in the tank, it can be liters. Okay. Then fourth one, water you bring to school, milliliter only. And then oil in the kitchen, that is liters. Oil in the kitchen is liters. Then petrol also in liters only. Okay. So cough syrup on the usually milliliters la da or 100 ml, 200 ml, not more than that. And then vinegar also like this in milliliters. Then water in the tank, that's a big water tank, it will come under the liters. Then water you bring to school, that is in milliliters. Not more than 1 liter you are going to drink in the school. Oil in kitchen will be used only in liters, 1 liters, 2 liters like that. Then petrol also in liters only. Okay. So this is the way to take the appropriate unit to measure the given liquid. We have to given liquid கொடுத்திருக்காங்க இல்லையா அந்த மெஷர்மெண்ட்ஸை மில்லி லிட்டர்ஸில் வருமா லிட்டர்ஸில் வருமோ you have to see. Okay children. Now next one, take the biggest unit. Here they are given, take the biggest unit. So biggest unit, which is the biggest unit? In this biggest unit, they are given the questions. First one, A, 500 milliliter. ml means milliliter. And B is 100 milliliter. And C is 50 milliliter. And D is 75 milliliter. Okay. So we take the biggest unit. எது எல்லாமே milliliters. You see, இது milliliters, milliliter and milliliter, and this is also the milliliters. So which one is biggest? Now, எது highest? 500, 100, 50 and 75. So which one is the biggest? 500 is the biggest. So you have to take this answer. Can you understand? Then the second one, A, 200 ml and B, 300 ml and C, 150 ml and D 175 ml. Okay, so here 200, 300 எல்லாமே milliliters தான். You see, milliliters, milliliters, milliliters. So 200, 300, 150, 175. So which is the biggest unit? 300 milliliters. So you tick this one. Then third one, 5 liter. Then B 2 liters. Then C 8 liters and D 7 liters. So it is liters. Okay, everything is in liters only. Liters. So 5 liter, 2 liters, 8 liters, 7 liters. So which is the biggest unit? 8 liter is the biggest unit. Then fourth one, A sum is 3 liters, B is 300 milliliter, and C is 30 liter, and D is 30 milliliter, and D is 30 liter. Okay, so first one is 3 liter, and second one is 300 milliliter, third one is 30 milliliter, and fourth one is 30 liters. So 3 liters, இது milliliter, இது milliliter, இது liter. So இப்போ லிட்டரில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 3 liter and 30 liters. So 3 litersனா 3 into 1000, 3000 milliliter. இப்போ 30 literனா 30 into 1000, you can move on to the 30 into 1000, we get 30,000 milliliter. So இதெல்லாம் ml இருக்குது, 300 milliliter, 30 milliliter. So அதிகமாக இருக்குது 30 liters. ஏன்னா 1 liter is equal to 1000. For 30 into 1000, we will get 30,000 milliliter. So this is the correct answer, biggest unit. Okay, இங்கே 300 ml இருக்கு, அது biggest unit நினைக்கக்கூடாதுன்னா இது மில்லிலிட்டரில் இருக்குது, இது லிட்டரில் இருக்குது. லிட்டரில் வரும்போது this is 30,000 milliliter, this is 300 milliliter. So this is bigger. Then fifth one, A 250 milliliter and B 1500 milliliter and C 760 milliliter and D 75 liter. Okay, so here 250 milliliter, you see whether it is a milliliter or liter. 1500 milliliter, 760 milliliter and 75 liters. So இது எல்லாமே millilitersல தான் இருக்குது. நல்லா லிசன் பண்ணுங்கள். 250 milliliter, 1500 milliliter, 760 milliliter. Here they given 75 liter. அப்போ 1 liter to 1000 நாக்கா 75 எவ்வளோ? You got 000 75,000 milliliter. அப்போ இங்கே 75,000 milliliter. அப்போ லிட்டர் தான் பெருசு, மில்லிலிட்டரை விட லிட்டர் தான் பெருசு எப்போவுமே. தட் இஸ் த செகண்ட் ட்ரிக், ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. Milliliter is, liter is bigger than the milliliter. Can you understand, children? So follow this and go through this. Now next we'll move on to the next one. Fourth one, circle the smallest unit. Circle the smallest unit. So here also they are given is some $250 milliliter and B some 350 milliliter and C 50 milliliter and D 750 milliliter. Then second one 300 milliliter, 350 milliliter and C is 800 milliliter and D is 275 milliliter. Then third A sum 10 liter, B sum 3 liter, 9 liters and D is 6 liters. Fourth 3 liter, B sum 350 milliliter and C is 5 milliliter and D is 40 milliliters. And fifth one, A 2500 milliliter and B 100 milliliter and C 810 milliliter and D 175 liter. Okay, so here the sum is circle the smallest unit. You have to circle the chinna unit edun paakano. Smallest unit 250 ml, 350 ml, 500 ml and 750 ml. So here which is the small, ellame milliliters da, everything is in milliliters. So 250, 350, 50 and 750. You have to circle only the smallest unit. So you can circle this one, smallest number na chinna number. Then 300 milliliter, 350, 800 and 275. Ellame milliliters da. So which is the smallest here? 300, 350, 800, 275. So 275 is the smallest, chinnadu. Here 10 liter, 3 liter, 9 liter, 6 liter. So which is smaller? 3 liter. Okay. Then 3 liter. This is 350 milliliter, 5 milliliter and 40 milliliter. So இது மட்டும் லிட்டரில் இருக்குது, மீதி எல்லாம் மில்லி லிட்டரில் இருக்குது. நம்ம சர்க்கிளில் ஸ்மாலஸ்ட் யூனிட்னு சொல்கிறதால ஸோ மில்லி லிட்டர் தான் நம்ம ஸ்மாலஸ்ட் யூனிட். ஸோ அந்த மூணை மட்டும் நம்ம பார்த்தா போதும். இது லிட்டர்ஸில் இருக்குது, இது எல்லாமே லிட்டர்ஸ்ன்னு இருந்ததால் we are seeing the all the 4 numbers. ஆனால் இதில் ஒன்று மட்டும் லிட்டர்ஸ். ஸோ இது விட்டுருங்க, மீதி மூணும் மில்லி லிட்டரில் இருக்குது. ஸோ மில்லி லிட்டர் இருக்கும்போது எது சின்னது? 350 5 40 ஸ்மாலஸ்ட்டை தான் பார்க்கணும், சின்னது. ஸோ யூ கேன் சர்க்கிள் திஸ் ஒன். ஓகே, then 2500 milliliter, 100 milliliter, 810 milliliter, 175 milliliter. So which is the smallest? 2500 illa 100 810 175 100 is the smallest unit. என்ன சொல்ல, லிட்டர் வந்தால் அது பிக்கஸ்டில் போயிடும். ஸோ டோன்ட் சே திஸ். மில்லி லிட்டர்ஸை எது சின்னதுன்னு பார்த்து சர்க்கிள் பண்ணுங்க. ஓகே, கேன் யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் திஸ்? So next one is, how many liters of water do you use for the following purpose in your house? Complete the table. So you are given that bathing, drinking, brushing teeth, cooking, washing the kitchen utensils, watering the garden and mopping the floor. So இதுக்கெல்லாம் how many liters நீங்கள் யூஸ் பண்ணுவீங்க? பாத்திங்க்கு என்ன ஒரு that we can't say no. So this we will see later on. The next one is like that, how many liters are needed to the filling the given containers, and complete the table by measuring the containers by 1 liter. So 1 liter capacity வச்சு இதில் ஊற்றினாக்கா how many liters it will go. So இதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்கா பாட்டிலில் we can put how many liters of bottle dash 1 liter of bottle. இந்த பாட்டிலில் எத்தனை லிட்டர்ஸ் ஆஃப் பாட்டில், 1 liter பாட்டில் எடுத்துக்கோங்க, அது தண்ணி ஊற்றிங்கன்னா எவ்வளோ, இது 1 தான் பிடிக்கும். அதே மாதிரி பக்கெட்டில் டேஷ் லிட்டர்ஸ் ஆஃப் பாட்டில், பக்கெட்டில் how many liters of bottle we can pour ஒரு 10 liters. Okay, and pot how many liters? More than 10. So like this, these two you can see and practice at home, children. Okay, so okay children, so go through this what all are given. So this activity is bathing, drinking, brushing teeth, cooking, how many liters of waters we are using, washing the kitchen utensils, watering the garden and mopping the floor. Then water bottle, bucket and mud pot. இந்த மூணுக்கும் how many liters of 1 liter bottle எடுத்தீங்கன்னா how many liters of water அதில் பிடிக்குன்றது எழுதணும். Okay children, so the measurement on this is very easy. So go through this, what all we have seen in the class. You copy down in your maths classwork, put the term, exercise number, page number, what all I have written on the board. Copy down children. Thank you.